Ever wondered how to achieve perfectly lifted lashes? Stick around, I'll take you through my step-by-step lash lamination process for flawless results. The first step is selecting the perfect shield size. This depends on the look my client wants, whether it's natural curl or a bold dramatic lift. Prepping is key. Even if it's not shown in the video, I always cleanse, rinse, and dry the lashes thoroughly. This creates the perfect base for flawless lamination. You might have noticed that I positioned the shield directly on the client's eyelid, ensuring comfort and precision by avoiding glue or tape on the skin. To secure the shield, I use the client's natural lashes. A small amount of lash lift glue on the inner and outer corners holds it in place. There are so many different ways you can laminate lashes, but this is my low-tech method using a doe foot and a microbrush. I keep a glue ring with saline water and a drop of lash lift glue nearby. Working in small sections, I use a doe foot to gently laminate the lashes onto the shield. Next, I use the damp microbrush to straighten and perfect each strand. I always flare out the outer corners for a natural finish. Once all the lashes are laminated, I do a thorough check to ensure every lash, especially the inner and outer corners, are secure. Missing these can lead to uneven results. I use a microbrush to apply the first lotion, focusing on the outer corners first since those lashes tend to be thicker. I draw a thin line of product along the lashes, starting the timer immediately since the lotion activates on contact. Then I build up the product, coating the lashes halfway up their length. It's crucial to avoid the hair follicles. If the lotion touches them, I wipe it off quickly to prevent any damage. When the timer ends, I gently wipe off the lotion, starting with the inner corners where the lashes are the thinnest. I mix a setting lotion with the tint for a beautiful finish and apply generously to the lashes. I leave it on for the same duration as the first lotion. When the timer's up, I remove the product with a damp doe foot applicator. To finish, I apply a nourishing oil to help loosen the lashes from the shield. Then it's all about a good cleanup to reveal those stunning lifted lashes. Lash lamination is a great procedure for those who are looking to enhance their look but in a very natural way. The benefit is that it's a very low maintenance and it can last up to 4 to 6 weeks. We would recommend our clients to come back every 8 to 10 weeks for a relift. And that's my lash lamination process. Precision and the right tools make all the difference. Let me know your laminating tips and tricks in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.